NordVPN features today. What makes it special? You see, NordVPN isn't just any VPN. It's packed with features that makes it stand out. So let's examine some of these incredible capabilities. The first is that it keeps you safe and sound with encryption, kill switch, and threat protection. Now imagine internet activity as a postcard. Encryption is like putting that postcard in a super secure envelope that no one can open except the person you send it to. NordVPN uses strict encryption to protect your data from prying eyes. Then the kill switch. Sometimes your VPN connection might drop for a moment. The kill switch is like a safety net. If your VPN connection goes down, it automatically blocks your internet access so your actual location and data don't get exposed. Then it has what they call threat protection. This feature is like having a bodyguard for your computer or phone. It blocks annoying ads, trackers that follow you online, and even dangerous websites that might try to install malware. So that's it. Number two is that it protects your privacy. There's no logs policy. NordVPN has a strict no logs policy. That means they don't track what you do online when you're using their service. It's like they never even saw you. Yes, some websites and countries try to block VPNs. So obfuscated servers make a VPN connection look like regular internet traffic so you can bypass those blocks and access whatever you need. Now there are some cool extra features like MeshNet. MeshNet lets you create your own secure private network between your devices, even in different locations. It's like having your little internet. You can use it to share files securely, play games with friends, or access files on your home computer while away. It also has a dark web monitor that keeps an eye out for your personal information on the dark web. If your email address or password shows up, it will alert you so you can take action. It also has multi-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your NordVPN account. Even if someone gets your password, they will still need a unique code from your phone to log in. It's also easy to use, no matter your skill level. NordVPN is designed to be easy for everyone, even those who have never used a VPN before. Whether you're a tech whiz or just active with a Windows PC, you'll find the app easy. So the next video, we're going to look at alternatives to NordVPN.